Discover 16 incredible Amazon gadgets that won't break the bank. From kitchen helpers to tech must-haves, these budget-friendly finds, all under $30, will elevate your daily life in surprising ways. Whether you're a home chef, an organization fanatic, or a tech lover, there's something here for everyone. Watch as we explore these handy, affordable gadgets that combine functionality and style, proving that great finds don't have to come with a hefty price tag. Let's jump in.
The Cocorrína Reed Diffuser set in clean linen scent is a refreshing addition to your home or office decor. It includes a stylish glass bottle, 6.7 ounces of a fragrance blend with essential oils, real preserved baby's breath flowers, and 8 pure cotton sticks. With notes of crisp air, fresh laundry, and lily of the valley, it delivers a clean, invigorating aroma that lasts up to 90 days. This diffuser not only enhances any room, but also makes an ideal gift for any occasion. This 4-pack magnetic spice rack is the perfect kitchen organizer for maximizing fridge space while keeping your spices neatly arranged. Made from durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene ABS plastic, these lightweight and washable shelves feature powerful magnets for secure attachment to any metal surface. Each rack holds up to 12 spice jars or bottles, offering a sleek, space-saving storage solution. Easy to install with no tools required, it's a must-have for any kitchen. This jar opener by Yuingsan is the ultimate kitchen gadget designed for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone with weak hands. Made from durable stainless steel and polycarbonate, it effortlessly opens lids up to 5.3 inches wide. The sharp dual stainless steel teeth grip lids securely, while the long, non-slip handle offers excellent leverage and comfort. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and stores conveniently in drawers or on hooks. A thoughtful, practical gift idea for anyone who struggles with tough lids. The TSJ Office Small Glass Desktop Whiteboard is a versatile desk organizer, perfect for offices, schools, or homes. It doubles as a keyboard stand with a slope for comfortable writing or reading. Crafted from durable temple glass, it offers smooth writing and easy cleaning without stains. With a hidden drawer for markers and an accessory tray for your phone or tablet, it keeps your workspace tidy. The set includes markers and an eraser, making it a great gift idea for note-taking, teaching, or home organization.
The 2-pack undershelf basket organizer is a space-saving solution for kitchens, pantries, cabinets, desks, and bookshelves. Made of durable black iron, each hanging shelf features an adjustable, expandable design with anti-slip hand screws for tool-free installation. The widened, thickened arms ensure stability without tilting or falling. With a large 13.2 inch by 10.1 inch by 4.6 inch capacity and adjustable height up to 7 inches, it easily fits standard cabinets. Ideal for storing snacks, plates, towels, and more, no assembly required. The Wow Up 3-in-1 Airpods Cleaner Kit is your all-in-one solution for spotless sound and device hygiene. With 48 cleaning putty packs, a cleaning pen, 2 microfiber cloths, and wet-dry wipes, this kit removes earwax, dust, and gunk from AirPods, Bluetooth earbuds, charging ports, and more. The putty lifts dirt, while the microfiber cloth polishes screens and lenses. Compact and easy to use, this kit ensures pristine devices and better audio performance every time. The rechargeable battery night light offers convenient, energy-efficient lighting for any space. Motion activated within 10 feet and turning off after 20 seconds of inactivity, these LED night lights are USB rechargeable and have a long-lasting battery. Emitting a soft, warm white glow, they create a comfortable ambience perfect for bedrooms, hallways, and staircases. Easy to install with magnetic back and adhesive pads, they are ideal for seniors, kids, or anyone needing safe, gentle illumination. This green silicone ice cube tray by Bollison is designed for Stanley tumblers 20 to 40 ounces, creating thick, hollow cylinder-shaped ice cubes that melt slowly to keep your drinks chilled longer. BPA-free and dishwasher safe, it ensures hygienic, mess-free ice making with an included lid and box. Effortlessly pop out cubes by pushing the bottom. Ideal for customizing drinks with fruits or coffee, it's the perfect, durable, and convenient addition to your kitchen or bar. The Fun Bites food cutter set turns mealtime into a fun and creative experience for kids and adults alike. These BPA-free, dishwasher-safe cutters slice through everything from sandwiches and veggies to pancakes and burgers, creating adorable bite-sized shapes. Easy to use, just press down, rock back and forth, and pop out the pieces. Made with high-quality, food-grade materials, they're perfect for picky eaters, playful lunchboxes, and even crafting with dough. The Sorba Soda Organizer set brings smart, versatile storage to your kitchen. Made of BPA-free clear plastic, each stackable unit holds up to 12 cans, keeping your fridge, pantry, or freezer tidy and maximizing space. The transparent design ensures quick visibility and easy access to your favorite beverages, while the compact size offers multifunctional storage for all your kitchen needs. Keep your drinks organized and your fridge clutter-free. The Tesson Tower Surge Protector Power Strip is a 12-in-1 solution that turns one socket into 8 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, charging up to 12 devices at once. Its 10-feet flat extension cord with a low profile, 45 degrees angle plug easily fits in tight spaces behind furniture. The tower's space-saving, non-slip design keeps your workspace tidy, while advanced surge and overload protection ensures safe charging for your home, office, or dorm devices. The Silicone stainless steel meatball maker is a 2024 innovative kitchen tool that lets you quickly make up to 3 perfectly shaped meatballs at a time. Made from food-grade 304 stainless steel, it's durable, rust-proof, and easy to clean. Just toss it in the dishwasher. The non-stick, smooth surface scoop is time-saving and perfect for a variety of uses, from shaping meatballs to cookie dough and rice balls. This meatball scoop tool is a versatile, easy-to-use addition to any home chef's toolkit. The Govee Robic LED strip lights are a vibrant and versatile choice for home decor, featuring smart, app-controlled lighting that can display multiple colors simultaneously. These 16.4-foot lights offer dynamic RGBIC effects, 16 million color options, and 64-plus preset scenes, creating an immersive atmosphere for parties, bedrooms, or any occasion. Sync the lights to music for an engaging experience, and use the Govee Home app to customize and share your lighting designs. Easy to install and perfect for adding color to your indoor spaces. The Fentech over-the-door shoe organizer features 15 large, deep pockets, holding up to 18 pairs of shoes and other essentials. Made from sturdy, breathable Oxford 600D fabric, this organizer is durable and tear-resistant. Easy to install using hooks or nails. It saves space in closets, bedrooms, bathrooms, or even dorm rooms. The versatile design makes it perfect for storing shoes, toys, toiletries, and more, helping to keep your space tidy and organized. Plus, Fentech offers 365 days of after-sales service for peace of mind. The Govee Robic LED strip lights are a vibrant and versatile choice for home decor, featuring smart, app-controlled lighting that can display multiple colors simultaneously. These 16.4-foot lights offer dynamic RGBIC effects, 16 million color options, and 64-plus preset scenes, creating an immersive atmosphere for parties, bedrooms, or any occasion. Sync the lights to music for an engaging experience, and use the Govee Home app to customize and share your lighting designs. Easy to install and perfect for adding color to your indoor spaces. The Fentech over-the-door shoe organizer features 15 large, deep pockets, holding up to 18 pairs of shoes and other essentials. Made from sturdy, breathable Oxford 600D fabric, this organizer is durable and tear-resistant. Easy to install using hooks or nails. It saves space in closets, bedrooms, bathrooms, or even dorm rooms. The versatile design makes it perfect for storing shoes, toys, toiletries, and more, helping to keep your space tidy and organized. Plus, Fentech offers 365 days of after-sales service for peace of mind. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed discovering these 16 must-have Amazon gadgets that are all under $30. Let us know which one was your favorite, or if you have any other budget-friendly finds to share. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome gadgets and tips. Until next time, happy shopping and enjoy these awesome finds.